Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by signing into your router. You need admin access. Once logged in, open the Connected Devices or DHCP table to find the phone. You must identify it by hostname and confirm with the phone's MAC address to avoid removing the wrong device. Make sure to note whether the phone uses a static IP versus DHCP because that affects the next actions. Start now. Don't spend time on general setup. Go straight to the device list to act. Once you've identified the phone, disconnect it from the router and immediately add its MAC to the blacklist or enable MAC-based access control so it cannot reconnect. If your router lacks MAC filtering, change the Wi-Fi password and update allowed devices only. This forces reauthentication and removes unauthorized phones. Make sure to save settings and reboot the router if prompted. Explain why. Blacklisting targets that single device, while a password change protects the whole network from new joins. To finish, verify the phone no longer appears in the Connected Devices list and test access with an allowed device. Once done, reboot the router to ensure settings persist and monitor for automatic reconnections. If the phone manages to reconnect, make sure MAC filtering is active and the blacklist entry is correct. Then change the SSID password again and tighten encryption to WPA2/WPA3. One key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.